Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Sapna Soni and I am going to teach you class 9th mathematics. So in the previous class, we have studied about different examples of degree. Till that we have learned. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss about the different types of degree. Now there are different types of polynomials on the basis of degree. First one is linear polynomial. So in linear polynomial, the variable has degree only 1. Variable की डिग्री only क्या होगी? 1 होगी. Variable is 1. For example, x plus 5, y plus 2, z plus 3, etc. In linear polynomial, variable have degree only 1 degree. That means the power of the variables will be only 1. These type of polynomials are known as linear polynomials. Second, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial degree of variable is 2. So in quadratic polynomials, the degree of the variable will be 2. For example, x square plus x plus 2 y square plus 5 etc. So in quadratic polynomial, degree of variable will be 2. Here the degree higher of the polynomial variable x is 2 and here the degree of variable y is also 2. So in quadratic polynomial, degree of the variable will be 2. Third is cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial, degree of variable is 3. Cubic polynomial में degree of variable क्या होगी? 3 होगी. Degree of the variable will be 3. For example, z cube plus z, y cube plus y, t cube plus 2t, etc. So in cubic polynomial, degree of variable is 3. Like here, the degree is 3. Similarly, in this one example of variable y, the highest power is 3, so the degree is here also is 3. Similarly, in this one example also, the degree of the variable is 3. So there are general three types of polynomials on the basis of degree. Linear polynomial, if the degree of the variable is 1. Quadratic, if the degree of the variable is 2. And cubic, if the degree of the variable is 3. And one more type is also there. That is zero polynomial or constant polynomial. So in four type is zero polynomial or constant polynomial. So in zero polynomial or constant polynomial, degree of the variable will be 0. For example, 5, in these type of examples, as I have shown in the second example, that power of the x is 0, so the degree here is 0. So these four examples are of type 0 polynomial or constant polynomial, because there are no variables. If there are no variables, that means the power of the variable is 0. As you know that power of any variable or any number, if there is power 0, then that number becomes 1. So here 5 also has a power of variable as 0. These type of polynomials are known as 0 polynomial or constant polynomial, because they contain only constant terms. There are no variables present in them. These four other types of polynomials on the basis of their degrees. Now moving to exercise 2.1 of NCERT. Now moving to our exercise 2.1, we have first question: which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? Means in the following expressions there must be only one variable. So now solving the questions. Now in the first one we have 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. So is there only one variable used in the following expression? Then yes, only x is used in the following expression, in the following equation. So this is polynomial in one variable. So yes, first one is polynomial in one variable. Similarly in second, y square plus root 2. Y square, only one type of polynomial is used. One type of variable is used, that is y, in the following expression. So this one is also polynomial in one variable. Now third example, 3 root t plus t root 2. Now if we'll write this expression in the simple language, then we can write it like this: 3t raised to power 1 by 2 plus t 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So is this a polynomial in one variable? हाँ, वो हमें दिख रहा है. We can see that only one type of variable is used, that is t. But there is something difference in this one expression. The difference is here the power of t is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial in one variable. Why? Because here t contains power 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Similarly, in the next expression, we have y plus 2 upon y. Only one variable is used, we can see that. But in simple form, we can write it like this: 2y plus 2y raised to power minus 1. y की power minus 1 क्यों आएगी? Because y it is in divide form. और जब भी कोई वेरिएबल या कोई नंबर डिवाइड फॉर्म होता है, जब हम उसको नॉर्मली ऊपर लिखते हैं एज ए न्यूमरेटर, वी राइट द पावर इन द माइनस, नेगेटिव पावर इज देयर. सो variable is only one, but the thing we can say is the power is minus 1, and in polynomials the power must be whole number or some positive integral number. So this is not a positive integral number, this is an integral number, but this is negative integral number. So it is also not. This is also not polynomial in one variable. Now moving to next example, next question. We have three different variables, x, y and t. And what we want? Polynomials in one variable. We want only single variable. Here three type of variables are used. So this is also not a polynomial in one variable. Now I hope you all understand about the types. Now moving to question number 2. Question number 2 is write the coefficient of x square in the following. हमें अब x square के coefficients बताने हैं in following cases में, following expressions में. So generally coefficients क्या होता है? Like for example 4x is there. अब हमसे पूछा है then what is the coefficient of x? मतलब x का coefficient क्या है? तो we have to write x only. What we can see, what number is there with x, that is 4. So here the coefficient is 4. किसी भी वेरिएबल के साथ में जो भी नंबर्स यूज होते हैं दैट आर, अगर हमें न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट पूछा है तो हम जनरली नंबर्स बताएंगे. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव 7xy और हमसे पूछा है y का कोफिशिएंट क्या है, तो जस्ट हाइड y एंड सी व्हाट आर रिमेनिंग. ओनली 7x आर रिमेनिंग, सो हियर द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज 7x. जो भी उस टर्म के साथ में इंक्लूडेड है, though that terms are known, that numbers are known as, or that variables are known as their coefficients. Now in first one example, first question, we see that 2 plus x square plus x is the expression. अब हमसे पूछा किसका कोफिशिएंट है, whose coefficient is asked to us. x square का कोफिशिएंट हमसे पूछा है, so we will see only the term x square here. x square के साथ में कोई नंबर है लगा हुआ नहीं है, so here the number is only 1, so here coefficient of x square is 1. Similarly in this one expression, this is x square, we will take this with their symbol, with their symbols, whether it is plus or it is minus. So here x square के आगे है कुछ नंबर नहीं, only 1 is there, but x square के आगे कौन सा सिंबल है, कौन सा फॉर्म लगा हुआ है, माइनस का, तो कौन सा नंबर आएगा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज here -1. सिमिलरली here ओनली x स्क्वायर वाला टर्म हम लोग लेंगे. here x स्क्वायर के साथ में अब क्या लगा हुआ है, पाई बाय 2, so the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Now similarly in the next question, x square has पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में कहीं भी x square, so no, there is no x square in the following expression, so here the coefficient of x square is 0. अब कोफिशिएंट जब भी हमसे पूछा जाए हम जस्ट उस टर्म को देखेंगे, उसके आगे क्या नंबर लग रहा है, क्या वेरिएबल लग रहा है, दैट इज देयर कोफिशिएंट. नाउ मूविंग टू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, we'll see. Now moving to our question number 3. So question number 3 is, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. मतलब हमसे कितने एग्जाम्पल्स पूछे हैं, जनरली 2 टाइप्स के एग्जाम्पल्स पूछे हैं. सो 2 टाइप्स के हमसे एग्जाम्पल्स पूछे हैं. फर्स्ट में हमसे क्या बोला गया है, बायनॉमियल ऑफ डिग्री 35. बायनॉमियल मींस क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बायनॉमियल. सो इन बायनॉमियल देयर विल बी 2 टर्म्स इन द एक्सप्रेशन. अगर 2 टर्म्स है किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन में, दैट टाइप ऑफ बायनॉमियल इज बायनॉमियल. सो जनरली इन फर्स्ट वन एग्जांपल वी विल बी नीडिंग 2 terms. Okay, and we can put any sign here. We can put whether plus, minus, put any sign. Instead of multiply and divide, we'll be using plus or minus. So binomial means 2 terms. Yes, we have taken 2 terms. Degree 35. डिग्री कितनी होनी चाहिए हमारे पास में, 35 होनी चाहिए. So x की पावर कितनी होगी, 35. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग we can write n variable x also, or we can write here constant terms also. So I'm just writing the constant term 7. So we similarly like this we can make more examples of binomial of degree 35. What we have to do is just we have to make the power for 35 of n variable, and that must be the highest power in the whole expression, because here degree 35 is used. Okay. Now in second example, what is there, monomial of degree 100. Monomial means only single term will be there. Of degree 100 means the variable have the highest power 100. And monomial bola hai, that means single term. Single term is, now we can add here any of the constant terms, like numbers we can add here 3, we can 2, we can add here 3, we can add here 4, we can add any number here. This is the example of monomial of degree 100. Degree is 100 and the term is only 1 here. Similarly here 2 terms are there. So these are the examples of binomial of degree 35. Now moving to question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. अब हमें क्या बताना है इसमें? We have to write the degrees of the given polynomials. So in first question में हमारे पास में क्या वेरिएबल गिवन है? What is the variable given here? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में वेरिएबल है ओनली x. तीन टर्म से हमारे पास में 5x क्यूब, 4x स्क्वायर एंड 7x. अब वेरिएबल इज ओनली x, so we have to see which variable has the highest power. So the first one variable has the power 3, second has power 2 and third one has power 1. Okay, so highest power is of this one. So what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree is 3. Similarly, in the second term, we have variable y square. So here the degree will be 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Similarly, in third one, we have variable only t. हमारे पास में only t variable है. अब t की क्या power है? Only 1 है. So here the degree of this one polynomial will be 1. Now it comes to fourth question. Only 3 is there. That means there is no variable added. अब वेरिएबल एडेड नहीं है तो मतलब ये कौन सा पॉलिनोमियल है? दिस इज जीरो पॉलिनोमियल और कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल की पावर क्या होगी? हमेशा जीरो. सो हियर द डिग्री विल बी जीरो. So these are the questions on where we have when we have to find the degrees. We'll find like this. We'll see the highest power of the variable. Now moving to our last question, which is question number 5. Now last question of the exercise. Question is, classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. So linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial क्या होता है? Linear polynomial if the variable has a degree 1 only. Quadratic if the variable has a degree 2 and cubic if the variable has a degree 3. Means the highest power will be 3 in cubic polynomial, highest power in the quadratic will be 2 and in linear it will be 1. So now seeing the questions. In first question, the variables are x only and first x has the power 2 and the second x has power 1. So highest power is 2. Means डिग्री कितनी आई हमारे पास में? 2. 2 डिग्री वाला कौन सा पॉलिनोमियल होगा? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. So I'm just writing it in short form. This will be quadratic polynomial. Now moving to our next question, x minus x cube. Here again the variables are x. First one variable has the power 1 and the next variable next term has the power 3. So सबसे highest power कौन सा x की है? 3/x की. Highest power is 3. So डिग्री कितनी होगी यहाँ पर? 3 होगी. अब डिग्री 3 है तो ये कौन सा polynomial है? Which polynomial is it? This one is cubic polynomial. Similarly, moving to third question. Here, there are two terms of variable y. First term has the power 1 and the second term has the power 2. So, the biggest power is 2 here. Again, the degree is 2. So, which type of polynomial is this? This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Now, in fourth question, 1 plus x. Only one variable is there with the power 1. So degree कितनी होगी इसकी? 1 होगी. Degree will be 1. So which type of polynomial is it? This one is linear polynomial. ये किसका टाइप होगा? Linear का, क्योंकि डिग्री क्या है हमारे पास में? Just only 1. Similarly in the next question, only t is there. अब t की यहाँ पर पावर कितनी है? 1. So degree is also there 1. So this is also a type of linear polynomial. Now the next one variable is r square. Here the degree is only 2. So this is a type of which polynomial? This is a type of quadratic polynomial. Now in the last one question, it is 7x cube. Now the power of the x is 3. So the degree here is also 3. So this is a type of cubic polynomial. So that much for today. This is exercise 2.1 is completed. I hope you all got understand about polynomials in variables. Thank you so much, students.